Good morning. Ron Richardson, Managing Partner, Senior Portfolio Manager at Vista Investment Partners. I want to come to you today with a quick uptake on the market. And before we do, a quick disclaimer. Please don't take anything we say here as a recommendation. Recommendations should come from your portfolio manager or advisor who knows your risk tolerance, time frame, and more about you. So today we're coming to talk a little bit about policy and the Fed. Currently, we're seeing a lot of conflict between policy and the Fed. And I want to put it in context with a little macro lesson. And the macro lesson is this. We took a survey, if we took a survey of 100 people, right now about 90% of them would say prices are higher than they were. Prices of things are going up. And the point of this is that that's the community feeling about inflation right now. So the Fed has continued to keep rates higher for longer to bring inflation to its mandate, which is 2%. Currently, we're at 2.6, 2.8, somewhere above that, but the Fed's been really reluctant to lower rates, partly because policy created tariffs. And the uncertainty of those tariffs leads the Fed to wait. And the reason they wait is a previous lesson in history in the late 70s, the Fed lowered rates too soon and reignited inflation. So the Fed's doing exactly what they want to do, which is be patient to see these effects of tariffs before they take rates down and fuel more inflation. Inflation isn't good for anybody, particularly those in retirement who have fixed incomes. So we want to avoid inflation for that reason. But the second reason is the market does better in a low inflation environment because the market is a discounting mechanism for earnings. And so the market will put higher prices on earnings when interest rates are lower. So right now we're in the holding pattern. There's a lot of rhetoric over this. There's no question inflation is ignited by tariffs. We have to see what happens with that. Right now, I think we have a really solid market. It's been more resilient than many expected, and myself included. So let's enjoy it while it lasts, and hopefully we'll see rates come down in the fall. Thank you very much from Vista Investment Partners.